So here we have I often describe it as a brand new home with no drapes or furnishings. We have machine tools. We installed the air system. So we have, the first thing we have is a manual lathe. It has a 12-inch chuck, has about 72 inches of length and capacity. It takes 1-inch diameter, 1-inch shank tools. We certainly would like to change this to a quick change style tool system. We also want to fabricate on the back a chip guard that will prevent chips from slinging into the walkway area here. So the next machine we have is an older Bridgeport. Still runs great. It's all powered up. We got air to it. This machine, you can see we have no vices. We have one collet. I think that's a 7/8 collet there. But that's about all we have for that one. Here we have a Bridgeport Series 2. This, you can see how tall this is. This is the largest Bridgeport that they make. It weighs about 5,000 pounds. It has drive motors on all axes. This is the drawbar that we pulled out. We want to put a power drawbar on it because it would take Sasquatch to reach the wrench to change the collet. So it does take NMTB holders. So there's one drive motor for the X and Y, and then we have another drive motor over here that drives the knee. And it is right there, right underneath there. So this also has a power quill to it. Very nice machine. We got it up and running, and we're excited about using this one. So, but you can see we have no vices. We have a very like I said, we don't have it's a brand new home with no drapes. So here we have, was a Siemens donation, and this is a remarkable machine. If you look closely, you can still see the scraping on the ways. This machine was purchased in 2007 and does have a power drawbar on it already. We also want to outfit all of these manual machines with DROs. So, but we need floor mats, we need safety tape, we need just a whole bunch of stuff. So this is our Herco BMC 20. So it holds 16 tools in the holder. It's this is a 16 by 30 table. You can see there's no vices in there. We have no tool holders yet. Those tool holders, since we want all the tool holders to match, I think those are going to be ones that we are going to purchase. But these machines do run, and we are excited to get to use them. So this is a BMC 20. So this is also it's a little bit bigger table. I think this is 36 by 20. Anyhow, you can see the very large subplate we have on here. But again, we have no tooling. We have no vices, not much of anything here. So the sandblaster is going to get relocated into another room here that will be dedicated for abrasive technology. This area right here, these lifts, these car lifts, this used to be an auto body program here, and it's long since been closed. So these lifts will probably go to California Mobility Center. We're looking forward to getting these out of here. We do want to fill this room up with equipment. But for the moment, this area back here, this will be our welding center. We'll have at least 5 welding stations back here with all the accoutrements, welding tables, all that kind of stuff. So that's also something we're working on. We also will have a forklift program here. That's how these pallet racks are set up. We're graciously donated from Tri-Tool quite a lot of material here that we will process into small pieces of material that our apprentices will use to train on. So we do have in the budget, we're planning to purchase a Marvel 8 Mark II saw. That's a vertical saw that has automatic feed to it. So some of these large blocks, when we're cutting on the bandsaw, you can stand there for quite a while getting through those. So the power feed becomes an essential piece of the puzzle here. So we do have intentions of doing a full sheet metal program. We have some manual brakes here. We do want to get a CNC press brake at some point, and to do ultimately what we'd like to do in this program is we'd like to have a machine tool repair program where we can actually fabricate up missing sheet metal panels or damaged sheet metal panels for our apprentices to train on. We have 2 classrooms in the facility. We have this one here, and that it's equipped pretty well. So we're ready for training in here. And then this is a secured storage room. This used to be an auto body program, so this room actually is where they used to store the paint cans in the paint area, but we're going to be using it for secure storage as product comes in. Then we have our facility here. We have another classroom here. So we don't have light switches on this side, but this is another classroom that we'll be utilizing. And then coming over here, we have our break area. So we can see this is, we have lots of tables in here, and we have a tool crib. There's the door to the tool crib, and we have several tool boxes and cabinets in here that will be certainly augmenting for use. We also have this cleaning machine that we're hoping to refurbish because we got a lot of floor to keep clean. That's one of the things with this facility is we intend on keeping it quite clean, so we're training these guys to make sure they operate in a very cleanly and clean environment. So coming over here, this is Charles A. Jones has a HVAC program. This is the HVAC area, and then we have a machine that's in this room. So this is a temperature controlled room. This will be our QC lab. And we have our Zeiss Eclipse. It's in the warm-up mode right now, so it's running. And you can see that it's operational. We are planning on painting this room. We want to improve the lighting. We also have a tool storage area behind this door that has lots of shelves and things in there for storage. But again, we have a minimal amount of tooling for the CMM. We did purchase just these small pieces for a particular job that we're running in one of our apprenticeship programs. And so we hope to get this up and running and use it for inspection. Very, very nice machine donated by Ruxco Engineering. We're very appreciative of this the wonderful donation. We're happy to have it. So that's gonna head back over, and this will conclude the tour. I know it's a bit longer than I expected, about 8.5 minutes. Again, this is one of our really nice forklifts here that we'll be doing forklift training, and we'll be doing some warehouse back office training. We'll be doing some ERP, just an introduction to manufacturing. And so I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I will kind of guide you out here. We're going back out. You see the tool crib here. We have our other really nice Clark forklift we can see in the background here. And then we have a small saw. This is a small horizontal saw. And we have, again, back to our manual equipment. So anyhow, that's going to conclude the tour of the shop. Please let us know if you have anything you can donate. We'd certainly very much appreciate your donation. And you have a great day.